how we can use technology to solve real business problem issues that we are facing every day. So it really opened up a whole dimension. Hello, I'm Djiba Diallo. I'm currently in charge of FinTech and remittance for Ecobank, which is one of the leading banks in Africa. I'm based out of Senegal. That's where I'm working from. I'm graduated from University Pierre and Marie Curie from France, and I hold a master's degree of computer science. So for my professional career, I've been working a lot with developers, startups, innovators across the continent to support innovation through technology in Africa. During my studies at university, I learned a little bit of artificial intelligence, but of course, at that time, it was not as developed as it is today. So now that artificial intelligence is booming, it's crucial for me to get back on track and strengthen my knowledge on artificial intelligence so that I can help better. So as a professional with a technology background, the non-code option was ideal for me because it really helped me get a very deep understanding without getting too much into the details of programming. So in a nutshell, the objective of me participating to this program remain relevant and effective in my current position, but also play an active role in the transformation as a leader in the transformation that we are going through. It was very, very great. The program was very well structured and articulated. It was very well balanced between theoretical learnings and practical application. I particularly appreciated the real-world case studies that brought AI concept to life. And the content was quite accessible, actually, even if you are not a full professional with a technology background. It was quite interesting to see that you could still be able to follow up and make sure that you were learning something concrete. What I really appreciated, it was the learning support providing. It was really outstanding because it helped us remain on track, make sure that we were making progress, and really take the full advantage of the program and the training. That was really appreciated. So one of my favorite part was obviously hands-on project, because it enabled us to quickly prototype machine learning models without writing a single line of code. I like the fact that it also helped us bring together business and technology. It was really about how we can use technology to solve real business problem issues that we are facing every day. So it really opened up a whole dimension of innovation, actually, that we can now consider. First of all, I'm now able to design and deploy machine learning models without coding at all, so by using no-code platforms. Something very important is that I also learned how to frame business problems in a way that AI, artificial intelligence, can effectively address it. It also helped me develop a strong understanding of the model training, evaluation, and deployment of new machine learning or AI models without programming at all. It also helped me strengthen my strategic thinking on how we could leverage on AI into the product or the services that we make available, so that we can effectively drive measurable impact. When you are out of this world, the only thing that you can have is assumptions. But now that I got into the training and I got my hand into practically into the engines and the machines, and learn the overall story, the objectives of AI, the applications, and how we can leverage on these tools to improve in many areas. It's really opened my eyes of all the possibilities that AI offer today. I would suggest them to embrace the learning journey with curiosity. Do not hesitate to ask. Make sure that you engage in projects. And while you are going through the training, start thinking of how you will apply all the insight and the learnings that you gather through the journey, on how you will apply it on real world challenges that either your industry is meeting, or maybe something that could help the community that you are living in.